Hello, this is Donna with DC Education, a place with all things elementary education. And today's short video is from the program Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success. So this is, again, a short video, which is step 4 to the program. Step 4, special words. They aren't spelled the way they sound. The learner needs to simply learn the words, which not always is too simple. The learning coach will read the words with the learner until they master them, and I'll offer some activities and tips at the end. Here we go. The, you, me, he, my, is, his, to, do, of, has, have, was, we, she, they, said, does. So for added practice, you can print these words, you can mix up the order, you can just simply mix up the slides as you're showing them to the learner. Practice to mastery, that is always the key. Make a sentence with each word. Say it aloud, read it, write it. Create word art with each word. My students know what word art is, and the way that we do it, you can do it anyway. Make it fun. If your learner likes art, have them make pictures with designs around the word. Again, hope the video is helpful. I hope you will consider watching more or even subscribing or liking the video. Subscribing to the channel can help different learners and families and homeschoolers gather together to help support each other. They can do that through comments, or they can do that through perhaps connecting in the future with a live event. So all in all, this is to help struggling readers, and the channel in general is to help families with elementary age children and or homeschoolers or new teachers or student teachers to help our kiddos achieve academic success. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.